Hello, and welcome to LEEDbrakes.com. We'd like to show you how to best navigate our site, giving you easy access to the parts, accessories, and information you need to help make your domestic, classic car, truck, or street rod stop safer. At the top of our homepage, you'll find sections for products, news, about us, contact us, tech center, and literature. We offer expert tech advice and also have our latest catalog as well as sales literature available for PDF download within these sections. You'll also find the Shop by Year, Make, and Model feature on our homepage. After making your selections, click the red Find Part button to see the products LEED Brakes offers for your vehicle. From here, you can shop by category using the LEED Brakes categories list on the left-hand side of the page. Each category is then broken down further by availability for your vehicle. When you've located the parts or products you're looking for, you can click on the image or blue description to access more info like all applications and installation instructions, which are available for PDF download. By scrolling down the page, you'll find other items we suggest for your vehicle. We've also included options for contacting our expert in-house tech team should you have any questions regarding our parts and your vehicle. We hope you found this walkthrough helpful, and thank you for choosing LEED Brakes.